Hi everyone. Welcome back. In today's session we are going to let you know some common idioms about love. Without waiting, let's get started.
Love at first sight.
Love at first sight means two people falling in love on the first time they meet. Examples:
Jim and Sue had a very happy ending after 3 months of dating. It was love at first sight. I don't believe in love at first sight. Love needs time to grow. I loved him at first sight. He's the man I've been searching for. Match made in heaven.
the meaning of match made in heaven is a perfect combination of people or things that will end up successful or happy. Examples:
Tim and Anna are a match made in heaven. I believe they'll soon have a happy ending. All the guests thought that the bride and groom were a match made in heaven. No one can deny that my parents are a match made in heaven. They've been through ups and downs together for 30 years. Have a crush on someone.
have a crush on someone, meaning to have a strong feeling of love that usually does not last very long. Examples:
She's had a huge crush on him since they first met. She had a big crush on her math teacher when she was in high school. Tim accepted that he had a massive crush on Anna, but then he didn't confess it. To love with all your heart and soul.
it means to sincerely love someone, to love someone very much. Examples:
I loved him with all my heart and soul, but he still left me. Have you ever loved someone with all your heart and soul? Wendy chose to stay by her boyfriend even when he was disabled in a car accident. She loves him with all her heart and soul. Wear your heart on your sleeve.
wear your heart on your sleeve means to show your emotions openly, to be open about your feelings. Examples:
I can tell that Mary is depressed after her broken relationship. She wears her heart on her sleeve. I'm the type of person who wears my heart on my sleeve. Sometimes I need to learn to hide my emotions because I don't want my parents to worry about me. People who wear their heart on their sleeve tend to be good actors. Fall head over heels in love.
fall head over heels in love, meaning to suddenly fall in love with very strong feelings. Examples:
He fell head over heels in love with Sarah, and they got married 3 months after their first date. I've never fallen head over heels for anyone, but I wish I would. After her broken marriage, she never fell head over heels in love with anyone. Tie the knot.
tie the knot. It means to get married. Examples:
After a few months of dating, they decided to tie the knot in May. Tim tied the knot with Mary last year. Jenny is such an independent woman. She never wants to tie the knot. Be the apple of one's eye.
be the apple of one's eye, meaning someone's favorite person or thing. Examples:
There are 30 students in this class, but Lisa is the apple of the teacher's eye because she's helpful and friendly. Tony is the apple of my eye. He's not only handsome, but also very gallant. Rick is the only child in his family. He's the apple of his parents' eye.
Hopefully this video lesson is handy. Thank you for watching and see you.